because this section is already fucked. I don't know if this works for plaster or if it just works for drywall. Big old chunk. Now I can fix all the holes in my wall, including this new hole. This new gigantic hole. I don't want to hear any comments about how I didn't have to cut such a big hole, because I did. I did have to cut such a big hole. Also, the reason I cut it way up here in the middle of my wall is because this section is already junked up from when I had my desk attached to the wall, so it needs some TLC, and now it needs even more. So I'm gonna go buy paint, which is why I took that big chunk out of my wall. Hello. It's many hours later. I kind of forgot I was filming, but I got my paint, and I also bought some primer so I can fill a bunch of holes and prime them and then paint them. I also bought an X-Acto knife with a fresh blade because I had a lot of trouble cutting a hole out of my wall with the only blade I had. Not that I expect to cut more holes out, but just in case. And a new spatula, because the one I have is about this wide, like that. It's about that wide. And since I cut such a big hole, I want to be able to flatten it out the entire width without gouging into the side of it. Anyway, $2. And now I'm gonna have some sparkling water and some grapes. And to be honest, I probably will have some sparkling water and then no longer be craving grapes, and vice versa, because I think I'm just thirsty. So I also did a mini harvest from our garden. We have a green pepper here, some cherry tomatoes, even the tiniest of tomatoes, and these tomatoes, which, oops, sorry, it's dark, because it's nighttime now, which have a funny shape. They're not cherry tomatoes, maybe they're plum tomatoes. I don't actually know what these are, but our neighbor gave us this seedling, and it has produced these tomatoes, and every single one of them has had a rotten bottom. This one is on its way to being rotten, but I picked it. Hopefully I can save it. Every single one of these tomatoes has had what's called blossom rot, something like that. I don't know why, but I picked these two in the nick of time, so they're good to go. This one I'll probably cut off the bottom because it's looking a little suspicious. Anyway, that's the garden haul. We're running out of garden time this year, so that's probably the last you'll see of it. And probably also the first you've seen of it this year, because I haven't done any filming. So, just in case, oh no, I'm gonna put it on the screen. I was gonna tell you the date. Today is September 8th, but you already know that because I put it on the screen. So forget it. You guys said anything. I still have a cat also. I know. And I am ashamed of the plastic bags. Usually I have reusable bags, but not everyone's letting you bring your own bags to the shopping store, grocery store, yet. Also, I forgot to bring bags. I wasn't expecting to shop for food. But yeah, they are not charging for bags, which is good because they force you to take them, but bad because then you take more than you need, maybe. I don't know. Being cute. Also, I'm wearing track pants for the first time since probably April. Is it track pant season again? I don't know. It's kind of cold today, but I'm not angry about it. Can you hear that? So bubbly. I haven't had bubbly water since Friday. It's now Tuesday. I missed you, bubbly water. Yum. Also, I wanted to show you guys this milk that I bought. It's in a plastic container, which is weird, and I don't really like that, but it says it's good until December 28th. What the hell is that about? There is a note on it that says for freshness, for optimal freshness, consume within 27 days of opening. Not 27, 7 days of opening. But how is the expiry date 4 months away? I don't know. Is it because of like a bottle? Instead of being a carton, it's in a plastic bottle? I don't know. I am frightened and intrigued. Stop. Stop it. What the heck was that? Hello, it's October. I'm wearing boots now. Today we are going to replace the doorbell. As you can see, our doorbell is in shambles. I've never done this before. This is my first time replacing a doorbell, so we're all in this together. It's rusty. More screws. More rust. Yes, step 1 complete. Now, this is a pretty ornate looking doorbell. It's the only one they had. This was the only non-battery operated option at the store. It was $9, so we're going for it. How do you open this? Ow. It's working. The Allen key is working. Oh my god. Definitely can't return this. It does come with screws. I was worried. Ooh, it's hefty. Upgrade. Oh, is that supposed to happen? Damn. Okay. I mean, probably not. Squish. I don't know. Ooh, we have light. Well, that's a good sign. I think I might be ringing the doorbell by accident. Estella? I'm just changing the doorbell, so if the doorbell's ringing, which I think it is.
Like a million times.
Okay, I just rang the doorbell 1,000 times. Now I'm going to slide this back in here. Oh no, did I fuck this up? Oh no. Did I pop it out the front? No, I know what to do. Ba-ba. Ba-ba. And then you rotate. And it pops right out. How do I make these wires? See, I don't think this fucking worked because the light's not on. Ah. I'm now texting my dad for help because when I touch the wires like this, the doorbell rings. I'm struggling to fit all this bundle of wire into each screw without setting off the doorbell. And also, as soon as I finish screwing the screw all the way down, it doesn't ring anymore. Like when I press the actual doorbell, it no longer rings. So I don't know. There is a lot of bird activity in the yard right now. Hey guys, this is how a doorbell works. See this metal square? When I press down on the button, it touches another metal square. And when the two metals touch, it makes the doorbell go off. But only if you can get this piece attached to this piece. Alright. I need tape just to hold that up while I open these screws.
You need another hand.
I know. I need a buddy. I need a home improvement buddy.
You got one, he's just 160 kilometers away.
I didn't screw any pilot holes, so I'm just winging it. I did it. 2 batteries died. I'm gonna ring the doorbell one last time.